Hey, it's Andy with Midmo Dents. Got a Dodge Challenger here with a little dent in the fender. This one's actually got really good access to the dent, so we're going to show you just how quickly we can repair a dent of this size in a location like this. Let's get it pulled in. We're going to get set up now, and we plan to work the whole dent from this opening right here in the door. I'm going to heat the paint up so that way it stays flexible while we're pushing on it. Yeah, got it.
I'm not sure that's the one I'm going to roll with, but I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, yeah. Actually, I might need a sharper tip. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a sharper tip. Let's close it up. Yep. Cleaning up some of the fire stuff.
And just like that, she's done. It's nice to have a little easy work on a Friday. This dent didn't really take us that long. Customer could have waited on it if they wanted to, but they did drop it off this morning at our shop. Get this thing parked and call the customer, and then it's on to the next one.